What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. In this tutorial, I will explain you the basics of array. So let's begin. So let me demonstrate with an example. Think that you have to create the report card where you have to put the marks of every student of your class. So how can you do that? You create a int variable first, then name the variable, then assign marks to it. Then you will create second, then you will assign marks to it, and then you will do for others. But I have a single approach for this. So type int name of the array, then put the size of the array. Let's say you want to put the marks of 10 students, simply put 11. I will tell you why we have put the 11 here. Then put equals to sign, then put these curly braces. So put the marks here. Let's say 56, comma 78, comma this, comma this, comma this, comma this, and this, also this. How many? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So guys, in array you have a syntax. You have a Let me first put this semicolon here. So guys, in array you have an index value. What is index value? It is just an address for this object. These are called objects. This is object 1, this is object 2, and index value for this object 1, the index value is 0. It means the address of this object is 0, then it is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and so on. It goes till n minus 1. In this case 11 minus 1, which is 10. So to print them, simply put count, then put name of the array, then square bracket, then put the index value. In this case, let we put this first. We put 0, then put the semicolon. If we run this out, it will give the value of index 0. Then if we put the value of this index 6, it will give the value of at index 6. But if you have to print them all in a single step, how can you do that? Here the for loop comes. Let me first show you the index in syntax for that, then I will explain you. Simply put for, then put a parentheses. In here in parentheses, simply put int, then put the variable name. In this case it's I. It is I stand for index value, which is this. Then put this colon, then I should be in this case 11, then put them again, then put I plus plus. After that, simply put these curly braces. In this braces, simply put count, array name, put I. So this what this code will does, it will first take the index value 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. It will go till end. It should be less than 11. Plus plus means it means first it will go to this, then this, then this, then this. What it means, first it will print this at this value, then it will print this, then it will print this, then this, and so on. Let me run this program. You can see that, but we have to put the space also. For space, simply put the space here and run the program. You can get the value. Also guys, if you want to check the size of this array, I mean the memory of this array, how much memory this take, simply count and put a function size of, then parentheses, then array. Let's say what we will get. I think I will get error. Yep, error. Let's check that again. Yes, it gave us 44. It means this one int value, I mean this int a equals to 5, it's of 4 bits. It means one int value is of 4 bits. Let me show you. You can see it is a 4 bit, and we have 11 values, so we have 4 into 11, it's 44. So this is how you can get the size of the array and print the array. So that's all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial I will tell you this how you can get the sum of two arrays. So thank you.